MarketSource Product Research Dropshipping Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are in the description, so you can check it out for yourself. Now let's break down what MarketSource offers, its features, strengths, weaknesses, and whether it's the right product research tool for your dropshipping business. MarketSource is designed to help dropshippers quickly find high-demand, low-competition products by analyzing real-time data from multiple marketplaces. Unlike generic research tools, MarketSource pulls insights from platforms like Amazon, eBay, and Shopify, giving users a more accurate picture of trending products. It's particularly useful for those who want a data-driven approach to selecting winning products instead of relying on guesswork. Key features: real-time market analysis. The tool tracks sales trends, customer demand, and competition across major marketplaces to help identify profitable products. AI-driven product suggestions. Machine learning algorithms analyze data to recommend products with high conversion potential. Competitor research. Track successful dropshipping stores to see what's selling and adjust your strategy accordingly. One-click product importing. Easily add winning products to your Shopify or WooCommerce store with optimized descriptions and images. Profit margin calculator. Estimate product costs, ad spend, and profit margins before adding products to your store. Multi-supplier sourcing. Source from multiple suppliers beyond AliExpress, including private label manufacturers and wholesalers. Who is it for? MarketSource is perfect for both beginner and experienced dropshippers looking for an advanced research tool that takes the guesswork out of product selection. If you struggle with finding profitable products or want a competitive edge, this tool offers valuable insights and automation to streamline the process. Strengths and weaknesses. Strengths: AI-driven product recommendations, competitor tracking, multi-supplier sourcing, profit margin calculator. Weaknesses: subscription cost, requires time to fully utilize all features effectively. Final verdict: MarketSource is a powerful product research tool that simplifies the process of finding and validating winning dropshipping products. If you want to increase your success rate by using real market data and automation, it's definitely worth considering. Check the links in the description to explore MarketSource further.